Revit versus 3ds Max versus SketchUp. Which design software wins? In today's honest review, I'll break down what each software offers, share real-world pros and cons, compare them feature by feature, and even explore which tools fit specific design scenarios best. Be sure to watch to the very end so you know which software best suits you. So let's start with Revit. Revit is primarily a building information modeling BIM software that's become a standard in architectural design. It focuses on creating intelligent 3D models that integrate architecture, structural engineering, and MEP, mechanical engineering and plumbing, into one unified platform. What makes Revit stand out is its parametric modeling. Changing one aspect of a model and related elements update automatically. This ensures precision and reduces errors during design changes. It's widely used for large-scale architectural projects, making it a go-to for firms handling complex builds. However, it's also known for its steep learning curve, meaning it might feel overwhelming if you are new to CAD or BIM. But once mastered, Revit becomes an incredibly powerful tool for coordinating across teams. 3ds Max, also from Autodesk, is a 3D modeling, animation, and rendering powerhouse, most popular among visual effects artists, animators, and high-end architectural visualizers. Unlike Revit, it isn't a BIM tool. It's all about visual quality and creative control. Its advanced rendering engines, like Arnold, allow you to create photorealistic visuals that can make presentations jaw-dropping. It also supports complex animations, making it great for walkthroughs and marketing materials. However, 3ds Max isn't typically used for producing technical construction documents. It's best paired with another design tool, like Revit, for the technical side. If your priority is stunning visuals and detailed 3D assets, 3ds Max will feel like a creative playground. SketchUp is the most beginner-friendly of the three, offering an intuitive interface that allows you to start designing almost instantly. It's widely loved by architects, interior designers, and hobbyists for quick conceptual modeling. Its plugin ecosystem is massive, enabling you to extend functionality with tools for rendering, automation, and even construction documentation. The ability to quickly iterate designs makes it ideal for conceptual stages and client presentations. That said, SketchUp isn't as powerful for large-scale BIM workflows as Revit, and its out-of-the-box rendering isn't as advanced as 3ds Max. But for speed, accessibility, and ease of collaboration, it's hard to beat. And now for the feature comparisons. In terms of BIM integration, Revit wins here, as it is the only one with BIM integration. In terms of photorealistic rendering, 3ds Max wins here, as it has high photorealistic rendering. In terms of animation capability, 3ds Max wins yet again. For ease of learning, SketchUp wins here, as it is the most beginner-friendly. In terms of collaboration tools, Revit wins here, as it has the most tools available. 3ds Max and SketchUp are also decent as well. In terms of concept design speed, SketchUp wins here, as it has the capability to produce designs at light speed, compared to Revit or 3ds Max. In terms of plugin extension support, SketchUp wins here, as it has the most support. In terms of cost, SketchUp also wins, as it is cheaper than 3ds Max and Revit, which can be quite costly. And now for the pros and cons. For Revit, its pros include having integrated BIM workflows. It keeps architecture, engineering, and construction in sync, reducing costly errors. It has parametric modeling. It updates linked elements automatically, saving huge amounts of time during revisions. It is the industry standard for large projects, widely adopted, making collaboration with other firms easier. However, it has a steep learning curve. It requires significant training to master. It has high system requirements. Revit runs best on powerful workstations, which can be costly. And it's an overkill for small projects, not ideal if you only need quick conceptual modules. And now for 3ds Max. Its pros included having photorealistic rendering. It produces some of the most realistic visuals in the industry. It has advanced animation capabilities, perfect for walkthroughs, fly-throughs, and complex motion sequences. 3ds Max also has high customization. It has a wide range of modeling techniques and rendering options for maximum creative freedom. However, it is not a BIM tool. It lacks construction, documentation, and collaboration features found in Revit. It has a complex interface. It can feel overwhelming for beginners. It is resource intensive. Large scenes can tax even powerful PCs. Now for SketchUp. Its pros include being user-friendly. It is easy to learn with a gentle learning curve. It has fast concept modeling, great for quickly translating ideas into visuals. SketchUp has a massive plugin ecosystem. It extends functionality with specialized tools and renders. However, it has limited out-of-the-box rendering. It requires plugins for high-quality visuals. It's not ideal for large-scale BIM. It lacks native advanced coordination tools. It has less precision than Revit. While accurate, it's better for early-stage design than detailed construction documents. And now for the real-world scenarios. For scenario 1, a large architectural firm designing a hospital, Revit takes the lead due to its BIM coordination, ensuring architects, engineers, and contractors stay aligned. For scenario 2, marketing visualization for a luxury resort, 3ds Max wins with its ability to produce jaw-dropping renders and cinematic animations for client pitches. For scenario 3, small studio pitching a home renovation, SketchUp shines, offering quick concept iterations and easy presentation tools. So which software wins? Choose Revit if you're an architect or engineer who needs robust BIM capabilities. It's unparalleled in handling large-scale building projects, collaborating across teams, and producing data-rich models that go beyond visuals. If your focus is high-end visualization, animation, and photorealism, then 3ds Max takes the crown. It's a powerhouse for rendering and visual effects, especially if you want lifelike presentations or cinematic walkthroughs. Finally, if you want speed and ease of use and versatility, especially for early concept modeling, SketchUp is hard to beat. It's quick to learn, integrates well with other tools, and works beautifully for small to medium design projects or conceptual stages. Bottom line, choose Revit for technical precision and BIM workflows. Choose 3ds Max for advanced visual quality and rendering power. Choose SketchUp for speed, simplicity, and flexibility. In many real-world cases, professionals use a combination, modeling in Revit or SketchUp, then rendering in 3ds Max to get the best of both worlds. So which software are you using? Let us know in the comments. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest comparisons, and see you in the next video.